Hi guys, welcome to Browny YouTube channel again. So I'm here in the Al Warsan Bird and Pet Market. So I'm going to have a look around here. So if you're a pet lover, you can just come here and whatever kind of pet you like, you can buy. Hello. Oh. Look at this. Huh? How are you? You just wanna have a cuddle, babe. Yeah. Yeah. Brother, I'm filming you. Is it okay, right?
Sorry, no problem.
Oh, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Oh, okay. You work here for a long time.
Okay.
Long time working here.
Like 3 months.
With this job. What about in UAE? In UAE? Yeah?
4 years.
4 years? Alright, great. He's making a specialty. Let's see how it is. Okay, until he's gonna make it, so I'll show you all the way around here, guys. If you come to the pet markets, whatever you want to buy, like a food or something, if you want, it's a huge place, so you can buy anything. This time it's a Ramadan, so you cannot see much people, and most of shops are closed. So I mean the food and all the other stuff, as you can see here. And also it's almost, I think 6:30 or 7, I can't remember the exact time at the moment. This is what it is. This place calls a caramel plus beverage. This is the shop. So if you come here, there is a nice guy who's making a tea.
Hi guys, this is caramel sweet.
Thank you so much. 10 dirhams, isn't it?
You may need the tissue also.
Just please. Thank you. I do have a 20.
Do you have card?
Card? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Easy, right? Alright, I'll give you. Alright, if you wanna, you can do the payment by your card. Is it easy?
That's very easy. Sometimes when we have no change.
I know,
That's
but most of the pet shop, they don't allow to use the card, right? I think
Yes.
they accept only cash.
Some, but we do both. And we have the Instagram page. Maybe you can also post it.
Sure, of course. That's okay. I don't need bill. No, I don't need bill. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Thank you so much.
If you want to check us on Instagram,
All right.
it's at caramel
All right.
CP.
I got the name here. I'll put it. Thank you so much.
Have a good evening.
You too. This is it. All right. See you around, brother.
See you. Have a good day.
All right. Look at those birdies. down there. I don't know what are they doing, but just trying to grab some grasses from the carpet, or maybe they're having a romantic time. I'm not sure what it is. And I think, as you can see, there is a one birdie on the chair. I think he's the manager of this shop. I don't know. And you can see the huge one. Unfortunately, I cannot go inside there because the shop owner is not at the shop. I think they are doing their religious stuff. I don't know, maybe praying or something. So yeah, but I'm so sorry I'm gonna miss this part. Anyway, let's move forward. Hello. Hi. How much is this little buddy? How much? 8,000. 8,000. So cute. Do you wanna go home? Is this the last price? 7.5. You are so expensive. So expensive. They will react to you, right? Hello, darling. How are you today? I like your hair. This is one of my favorites. You were looking at me. Come on. Come on. I'll show you something else. Look at this buddy sleeping. It's crazy. Okay. Hello there. Hello. Hello, doggo. Hello, doggo. Alright guys, this pet market is really famous for the doggies. So if you're a dog lover, this is the best place ever you can buy any doggo that you love, right? Hello. Is it okay filming? Thank you. A paradise of birds. It's nice. Hello. flowers. Big flowers. These have come in different colors. Different colors. Alright. You look a little bit hungry. Are you? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Let's go. One more time. No? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, look at those things. They're newborn babies here. Who's that?
White color.
White color also.
See,
How much?
2000.
2000.
This 5,000.
White one, 5,000.
Albino and Hydrogen.
Is this just normal water, brother? Normal water for them? Normal water, right? Not the sea water. How much is this turtle?
Starter 70.
70.
On this 30.
Oh, this is cute one. Can I touch one? Is it okay? No? Why I can't keep it on my hand?
Charge problem.
Come on. Thank you. That's cute, right?
Small.
Yeah.
Baby.
Ah, still baby. Do they grow like this? Oh, hello.
Big.
Huge. And we need a big tank for them.
Yeah.
How much is that one? The little
30.
one?
30.
30.
Yeah.
Okay.
This 70.
70. These all decoration. It's like Halloween decoration. Do they buy?
Yeah.
You can see a catfish. All right. also all the grasses that you need to put in your tank to make a decoration or make your fishes comfortable and make them very nice and natural environment. You can buy all the stuff from this shop. Yeah, and not much expensive though anyway. And look at this wooden decoration here. Oh, just get it up. And I'll go all the way around here to the fish tank. Excuse me, brother. Is this the one you were talking about, the white one? No? This one, right? You know what his name?
Arwana.
Ah, okay.
Platinum alligator.
This is alligator, right?
Platinum alligator.
Latin America. What did you say?
Platinum color, platinum.
Platinum. Ah, okay, platinum. It's beautiful.
First time in UAE, platinum day.
All right. Oh, the little cute fish is also here. And this is my favorite because when you touch the stamp, you get the reaction. Oh, what is this? Kind of cunt. It's like a cunt. Hello? Say hi. Hello. Brother, thank you very much. Thanks. Smell really nice. And this shop smell really nice. Smell good. Hello. How much is this little one, brother?
5,000.
Ramadan offers.
What?
Ramadan offers. No Ramadan offers.
Ramadan offer 4,500.
Expensive, isn't it?
Sorry?
They're expensive.
They are very, very friendly. We Shih Tzu.
Ah. This one is sleeping. No, let him sleep. Oh my gosh. He wants to play. Very cool. Hello, sweetie. You have fishes also? this shop you can see there are so many fishes, and also there are doggies and cats. And even though if you want to buy some pet stuff like food or two things to play, like kind of toys, and you can buy everything at the one spot. All right, that's great.
So the same with them. Just buy their food, give them water, take them out for
Okay, let's check.
small space.
All right, I'm just moving to block B2. As you can see, everything is same. Oh, fish. I love this multiple colors fishes anyway. It makes a beautiful tank. It's so relaxing mind, isn't it? And those tiny fishes. Sorry. Huh? So it's just normal stuff you can see everywhere, the same birds and all the pets are here, and also the stuff that they need. This is the special thing because you don't want to go anywhere here and there, and you can buy everything you need at the one place, and it's so easy. Hello.
4K.
Look at that hen. She just laid an egg. Hello? Oh, look at this one, it's beautiful. Oh, buddy. You're beautiful. Oh gosh. Let's go. Thank you. Alright, let's keep moving forward. Keep moving. Hello, sir. How are you? Hey, I love you. So there are so many dogs you can see. Looks like you're sleeping. Let's go. I think I finished the second block. 2 more, right? Hmm?
Which one do you like? Tell me. You like this one? So you consider
Hello?
one glass, one
Hi.
उधर एक मैं पुनः है तो उधर क्यों रख रहा है वैसा दिखाया
You have 1,000 now, you come. No problem. If 1,000 more than you like, you can come there.
Excuse me? Can I take this? No?
That's not enough.
you can see now, as I told you earlier, now all the shops has opened. I think because the Ramadan time also finished, so then people can eat outside. Because when I come here, they were closed, but now all of them are open. Okay, let's keep moving. I'm gonna go to the A3 block. All the blocks are same anyway, just by the name, you know. Hello. Okay, I'm just moving a little fast. Moving a little bit fast. Excuse me, sir. Can I take a video of the bird, please? Yes. Thank you. Hello, girls. Oh, you have big one over there, right? Did she bite? Yes. Did it? Because are so noisy. They cannot fly, right? They cannot fly. When Thank you so much, brother. Hello. Hi, I'm good. You have changed your shop, right? Ah, there was sugar glider here last time when I come. Where are they? Ah, you have a lot of changes. Is it okay if I take a video of those birdies, please? Thank you. I've been to this shop more than 2 times. You remember me, man? Do they bite? No? I'm scared. Are you sure? Oh, this one. It's a bit naughty. Alright. 12,500. Oh gosh. Why are you so naughty? You know about me? Yeah? No? Looks like you don't like boys, don't you? Yeah. Go and bite him. Bite. Take a big bite. He doesn't bite. He doesn't bite. Oh. What happened?
Nothing, mom. It looks like
It's okay? Yeah. Hello. You cute, Baba. Hello. Oh, great. Oh my gosh. Hello.
No, another one, no. Yeah, you want to. उसके पास छोटा है. अभी बस